So let's get started. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna add some of this glue.
It's right.
Hey. Man, she's in there.
I know, my darling daughter is so precious. I know.
Huh. Why are you saying that?
Because you're fresh.
Okay.
I am going to turn this light off behind you, darling.
It closed up.
What, babe?
It closed up. You can see it got smaller. I didn't put it in time, but I just pulled it back there.
Okay, good. You got to get another bath.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, babe. Do you want to switch earrings?
Okay.
Maybe you should just put the balls in since the bows keep falling out.
Okay.
Okay.
So there we go.
Just to hear what advice you have to give us. The advice that comes out of my mouth and what I speak about is soup to nuts, the best thing that you will ever do. Over the past year, my book has taken off.
Two of
So
purple
I
and
go
two
from
of
town
blue.
to town and I give these lectures and speaking engagements for anybody who just wants to be inspired. Okay, so let's get
Whoa, guys. You have to look at this. Isn't that so cool? Like, I'm gonna show you that with the blue. Oops, wrong color. Wrong color.
I met Margaret through Jody. Jody works for Margaret.
Okay.
Jody has come to 16 of my events so far. Margaret is animated, over the top. It's so much fun.
Ding dong, ding dong, dong, ding dong, ding dong. Oh, look, okay. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty too. See this? Okay.
My philosophy is know your worth.
Spoon. Just a spoonful. This looks like unicorn slime right now. Actually, this video is gonna be about making unicorn slime.
The point that I'm trying to make is a lot of brilliant people have suggested
Make them purple.
a man's rejection is
That is
not
so
rejection.
pretty. Oh my gosh, guys.
And remember,
You have to see this.
I love you guys and I want to thank you for showing up here.
Isn't that beautiful? You can pause the video if you want to see if you want. Like, go back to it. Okay. Let's put some more of them. Let's take 3 of them.
Frankie,
What are you packing for?
I'm going to Boca with my friend.
It's exciting.
You're so happy Dad's home?
Yeah.
That wasn't very convincing.
Yeah, I'm so excited about this weekend. But Frank and Frankie are going to be home together for the first time in 18 years alone. Don't get Dad pissed off, because I'm not here to protect you.
I know.
Listen, when I'm gone, you're going to be here with Nono. So Joe's around, so if we need anything.
I actually did 4.
Capiche? Are you looking at me? Hello?
Whose gun was that?
Don't get Dad pissed off, because I'm not here to protect you.
All out.
When I'm gone, you're going to
Got down.
be with Nono. So Joe's around, so if you need anything.
Okay.
Capiche?
Where's the spoon? Oh, it's in there. That is beautiful. Isn't it, guys?
Are you looking at me? Hello?
really think I was gonna eat this glue?
How you looking at
Well,
me?
you're wrong. No, I'm just kidding. There's 2 drops of pink and 1 drop of blue.
So I think this really makes me look really pretty.
Pretty hot.
But you know, I want to be a little more
You
pink.
understand.
We've never been apart from my birthday.
You're
since
still
we're married.
pretty.
Unbelievable. It's like,
We're just gonna go savage with this.
Like a boca bake?
This one? Why do they make them like they go up
Oh
your
my
ass? It's a medium.
So savage with it. Let's see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is like more blue and I actually like it. It's just like Galaxy. This looks just like Galaxy. Right.
School is a dream park, but Boca Raton is my second home. After I graduated college, I lived there for 10 years. My babies were born there. All my best friends live there. I have my plastic surgeons there. And I can't wait to experience everything with my girls. Hi, how are you? Can you hold my hand because I usually fall out of
I mean,
cars?
purple.
so we have 3 Ocean View Suites.
I have a house in Boca, but I don't want to be running around and cleaning up and doing laundry, and I want the girls to relax.
So the presidential is right this way.
Hi, sweetheart. I love you. Yeah, she's doing her hair for Dan. I love you too. Mwah. Bye. I like it. Well, I need to go out.
You have no idea how long I waited. I haven't had vacation in so long.
Okay, so we're like almost
Wow.
knit.
With all the legal troubles and my mom passing away, I
Mix
wasn't
now.
able to travel.
I really like this color.
I'm still on
So pretty. I want to show you guys that.
Florida really makes me feel like things are getting back to normal. Melissa and Teresa have been through a lot, and hopefully this will be a relaxing 3 days.
Thank you, guys.
That is so pretty, isn't it? I love it. Okay.
Special at my place, which
So
is
now we're
perfect.
gonna add
And tonight we're going to my favorite
solution.
restaurant, New York Prime. All right, let's go change. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, I gotta mix that.
Can you move my eyelash on a little bit and start my line or whatever? Open up your eyes. Hi, hi. Wow.
Wow. S&M.
My girlfriend is here. Her name is Margaret, and I invited her out to dinner with us.
Okay, guys.
I call myself a powerhouse in pigtails. I'm the founder of a multi-million-dollar business, the Macbeth Collection by Margaret Joseph. My aesthetic really is like a little collection. That's adorable like that, but it's just too elephant-ish. Okay. Does it not?
Looks like I did everything I gotta say.
Oh, yeah. I actually run my business
Wait.
out of my home, and I just love it. My mother works for me.
I know that guy when I was he called today.
Okay, guys. So 1 minute. I
It's great
just
that my staff and my team.
like I need to get another cup
My husband
because
and I want to cuddle up in the morning and have sex, and the girls are right downstairs.
I hear you cackling in the back.
you know,
Okay.
All you do is laugh. I don't know.
Okay,
cup.
we
I don't
When I
know.
met my
but,
husband Joe, we were both married to separate people. He had come into my life
Put 'em
because he's a
back.
contractor, and he came in to do our molding. My marriage was going down the tubes, and we had this unbelievable chemistry, and we fell in love. So my goodness.
Thank you, Ray. A little overdone. Blouse.
Leaving my first husband was a very big scandal in our town, but like this is my life, and you know what? Take me for who I am.
wait, just. What's my mix? I don't know what happened to that. Okay. This almost spilled on me. Okay. Please, that does not fail.
My first week is big. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my God, it only took me 12 years. No one believes it, but I'm really shy. Yay! Dolores, open up the door right now. Welcome to New York. Siggy is the happiest person
Not
I've
glue, I mean
I need
glitter.
a cocktail.
You know, I don't need all that in my hands.
Teresa and I, if we could have
There
hit
we
underneath
go.
the table, we would have. Coming up.
I need coffee and a Bloody Mary all at the same time.
There's some stuff all of us need to discuss.
You know, we're not gonna really. That's the green. Galaxy. Sorry, green.
I mean, this is hilarious.
Oh,
You know, when you live someplace a long time,
Can
you
I
know
this
everything, you know everyone. Like, I love everybody in this place, and they love me.
She rules, Boga. Sometimes my Siggy gets a little excited.
Easy. Oh my God.
Okay.
Lady, the bottle of wine?
Did you just see that? Instantly, guys. Did you just see that? I'm just kidding. I don't think that was instant.
You got it, okay.
She's gonna take it down.
So, ladies, you hungry?
Are they shrimp for appetizer?
Okay, want to do like a 4.5 slices then? Thank you so much. Thank you.
What did you guys do today?
We got here pretty late.
I actually did wind up working. I had a business meeting, but
I know today.
You have a shoe line?
I have a clothing line. We just signed a shoe deal.
Guys,
I have home
really
storage.
well
I have stationery.
Margaret's doing
Sorry that I had to get dirty.
Oh my God, this
Tide.
mashed potato.
Tide would fix it. I know Tide. I know Tide. Tide is awesome. I know him. I know Tide.
When I speak to people, it makes my heart sing. But on the other hand,
I know him.
I'm a great man.
I just know Tide.
He doesn't like for me to work as much as I do.
You're doing 3, sometimes 4 events a week.
I wish
Don't you
I
think that maybe you should
so
cut back a
should.
little bit?
Okay, I think it's open it.
I mean,
Yeah.
I was not asking. I'm telling you.
I just need to add some of him on me.
I did 3 events a
Oh,
week.
none of these pieces.
Now I'm down to 2.
It's hard.
Yeah, we're just gonna
You know, it's very hard to
throw
balance
this
everything.
piece
Yeah,
away.
My ex-husband and I were growing apart. I went to remarry 17 years old. There's a big scandal in town. I frankly, I did run away to the contractor. He was broke.
Here we are talking about our husbands wanting us to quit, and Teresa can't stop
There
working.
we go. Come on, baby. Come on.
I like keeping busy. Like, I'm fine with working. Book signings, and I'm starting my
Half of this video gets cut off. I'm so sorry. And if that part that I just said got cut off,
And that's why, you know, with my husband, like, I do
I
get
can't do
upset. I'm like
anything
very
about it.
hands-on, like, I always want to be there for my kids, like, I'll jump over backwards. So I hate that I couldn't be there because I was away. If things were done right, and that's what I get aggravated with.